Hello friends, welcome back once again. If today is your first time visiting this channel, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel and then you like and then you follow for the next update. Now today we are here to design a very simple and popular logo in AutoCAD. Very simple. We are here to design this Apple logo. It's very simple but it's a little bit tricky, so I want you to be very attentive and then you follow the tutorial as we move along. So I have my AutoCAD already open. You go to the template to select acadiso.dwt. Alright, now this is the logo we are going to design. So first of all, you need to make sure you understand everything here before it will be very easy for you to draw. Now let's look at the logo carefully. Now we have 4 circles in all. We have this one with a radius of 28, another one here with a radius of 28, then we have 2 circles here also with similar radius, which is 16 mm. All our dimensions are in millimeters, which is 16 mm. Now you can see there is an arc touching this bigger circle and this smaller circle. The same thing is here with a radius of 70. Okay, and this arc, this cut over here is also having a radius of 26, and the distance between these bigger circles is 36. So for us not to get confused, let's get started so that you know exactly what I'm talking about. So we are going to start with these bigger circles. So we are going to draw a bigger circle with radius of 28 and the interval apart of both of them is 36. So let's start. So I'll start by drawing a line to help us. So a line of 36 dimension mm. Okay, so when it becomes smaller you can zoom out to become bigger. Good. So we have a radius of 28 as you can see. So I'll draw a circle from the end of the line with radius 28. So pick circle and I click. Now remember, when you click for the circle, it asks you to specify the radius, so you can just go straight forward and enter 28. You press enter to repeat the same command again. So I click here and then I enter 28. Good. Now I'm having my 2 circles done, this one and this one. Now there is a distance apart, the bigger one and the second one and the smaller one. There's a distance. The distance between them is 46. So if you want to be on the safer side, you can draw a line, or another way you can do is just activate the circle command. When you activate the circle command, then you come to the center of this circle. You don't click, but you drag downwards. You drag downward and then you enter a distance of 46 and you press enter. So automatically to come to the destination where you want it. Now let's check the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 16 mm. So you enter the radius 16. Now from here you can copy. You can use the short command CO, copy, and then you send it apart. I think the distance is 36. So you enter 36. Good. Now you are done with the bigger and the smaller circles. Now let's try and draw this arc over here. You can see 2 circles. Anytime you see 2 circles and there's an arc, you can use the tan radius, and the radius is 24. So you go to the circle command, you select the tan radius. So it says specify point on objects for first tangent of circle. So you specify this one. And then the second one says second point, so we specify this one and we enter our radius of 24. Good, and we have it there. Now let's come to the top. The radius is 10, so the same procedure, activate. You click here, you enter 10. Now you have it. Alright, so from here we can trim some of the unwanted lines and arcs. Okay, so let's leave the rest as they are. Now let's try and get these bigger circles. Now this bigger circle is the same thing here, and it's having a radius of 70. Okay, so we go to the tan radius again, then we click outside here and we click outside here and we enter the radius of 70. Now we have it. We press enter to activate the last command again. You press here, oh sorry, just click, you press here, you press, that's at the end of the circles. Okay, and then you enter 70. Now let's trim the ones we don't want. We don't like all this, and this one as well, including this and this. Okay, so now we can even trim the internal parts that we don't need. These ones, let's zoom to clear this one. We don't need all this anymore. Okay, so now we are almost going through. Now there is a cut here, or an arc over here, but this arc is stepping down 5 mm from the center of these two circles. So for us to do that, there are so many ways you can do it. You can either extend this line to meet this, and then after that you offset it or you move it. You can offset or move any of them. So I'll try to move it downward. So I'll select this line. Okay, let me try and select the line, and then you use the shortcut, or you can use this. I normally like the shortcut, so the shortcut for move is M. You press enter and you click anywhere on the screen, you drag it down. The distance is 5, so you enter 5, you press enter. Good. Now it will be meeting with, if it doesn't meet, you click, you drag to extend to meet. Okay, now when it meets, you go for your circle command, center radius, and then you select and draw. Now the radius of that circle is 26, so you just enter 26. Okay, and then you are done. So let's trim. So the shortcut for trimming is TR, enter, and let's trim our unwanted lines. Good. So now we have our cuts. Let's lay this line. Now remaining the last part for us, which is this, which is very simple. Very simple. You can see it's 26 here, 26 here. So for us to do that, we will need a line command, and then we will locate the center of this circle over here. So it's here. Now we draw a line up 26. We come this side 26. We come down 26 length, and now we can close here. Good. So this square is going to help us to draw that two arcs. Now let's come to this side where the arc is and select start end direction. Start end direction. So we click on that. Now we click on this end. This is our start, this is our end, and which direction do we want to go? We want to go to this direction, so we click this one as well. Okay, so we go there again to do the second one. Click here. Now this time we will start from the top. We start from the down, start, and then our direction here. Good. So now we can trim all the unwanted parts by using the trim command TR, enter. You click here, you delete all the unwanted lines, and this is the final work that we were asked to do. So if you want to make it more visible, you can always click on your line width. If it's off, you can see, just go to customization here, and then you look for line width if it's not ticked. Now when it comes here, you have to make a certain settings. You right click on it, you go to line width settings, and then you change the thickness of the line before you see it this way. Okay, so this is the final work. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe and share, like. If you have any question also, leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to you. Thank you very much.